Hello guys, and be welcome to another inbox review here on the channel. Today I'll bring you the Eduard 148 scale P-51 Mustang, very long range Tales of Iwojima. This is a plane that I've been meant to build for a long time now, and in a proposition from my Discord group of a build along, I've been asked if I could build a P-51, so if you guys want to join in, feel free to. This is a free Discord. I'll put the link on the description, and if you guys want to build along, just join in. You are more than welcome. Opening the boxes, we are greeted with a very lovely instruction sheet. Let me have a look. The usual Eduard clear wheel. Some resin upgrades for the wheels, I believe, and then a box of sprues, another bag with more sprues, a set of masks and decals, not decals, PE, I'm really sorry, and some more PE for the cockpit. So this is a fairly detailed model. We have as well a A3 size poster that we can have, and then we have the decals for all the different versions that we can build. We have as well a little lapel pin that we can use on your shirt. So yeah, it's a very well thought scale model. So I'll leave the decals and the instructions to the end. I'm gonna move these along to the floor for now. This one set aside, and we're gonna start with the sprues. Sprues, like I said, we have two bags, and the quality seems absolutely impressive. We're gonna check it out together out of the plastic, and as you can see, loads of sublime details. The lines are not too deep, they are just on the right amount, and the rivets as well, as you guys can see if you can focus properly. They look absolutely amazing, really good, as you would expect from Eduard. No flash, moldings are absolutely spot on, and yeah, very well detailed. I'm sorry for this noise. I'm sorry. Then on this bag we have the drop tanks, which again, I don't see any issues with them. They look absolutely amazing. And then we have the cockpit sprue. So wait, whoa. Right. As far as I can see, these two sprues are pretty much just for the cockpit and wheel bay. You have the things for the wheel bay. This is for the rear wheel bay. The wheels, if you don't use the resin ones, you have the normal ones. Landing gears, a little bit of flash there, but it's expected. It's nothing out of this world. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Exhausts, we have two types of exhausts in here, and yeah, it looks really good. Let me put aside. Propeller wise, they look fairly good. No sink marks or injector pin marks. They look really well. Yeah, you have all this detail here, that then you can even upgrade with this PE set. So all these panels that you are seeing here, you can even upgrade them further. You have two types of instrument panels. So you have one for the PE, that they are completely clear, one to be painted, three types I believe. So you have one for PE where is completely clean, I believe. Then you have one for the decals and one to be painted if you want, or if you wish so. And then these ones can be completed with the PEs. And yeah, you have more details on here. The rivets on here are absolutely stunning. Look at that. Can you guys see? You have a line of rivets there. It's absolutely unbelievable. The rudder controller, or the controller of the airplane, absolutely spotless as well. So yeah, it looks really good. Then we have more decals. I'm drunk, am I? So I think that this is for the different versions. You can have like bombs and all those things. Like you have here the different parts to build the bombs and all things, but I don't think I'm gonna build them. I think I'm gonna do just a straight out of the box basic build. No bombs or nothing, just a nice and clean Mustang. Fuselage, it's sublime, the amount of detail that you can have here. As you guys can see, it's unbelievable. Unbelievable, I would say. The amount of detail that they have put on here. Absolutely lovely. Amazing. I have no words. Like you see, no flash marks, no nothing. Injector pin marks, you have one here, but they're gonna be covered with all this stuff, so don't think it's relevant. Now you have the PE set. Like I said to you, the amount of detail present on here is absolutely insane as well. It's lovely, and I think the amount of what is gonna add to the build is unpayable. Clear parts. Let's have a look. These are the clear parts, and from what I can see, they are spot on. There's nothing wrong with them. They are perfectly molded. They look absolutely transparent. Reflects maybe a little bit of a polish, but nothing too serious. So let's put this aside and let's go to let's protect these ones because we don't want them to get scratched or anything like that. So let's put them away. And now let's go to the instructions. Instructions are fairly comprehensive. You have here a bit of a brief story of what it is, and then as you can see, all this is for the cockpit. It's speed that you can get on here is absolutely incredible. Adds to the detail, adds to everything. We have a few steps till we get it ready. It's completely and utterly insane what you can get on here. As you guys can see, you have P on the bomb base. You have P pretty much everywhere. The wheels, they provide the masks as well for it. The instructions for you to use the mask on the canopy. Some of the propellers, the mirror on the canopy. It's absolutely sublime. And this one, the drop tanks. You have the different bomb racks that you can use and so on and so on. So yeah, it's absolutely amazing. The version I'll be building, you can build 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 12 possible versions, and this is the one I'm gonna build. The box art one with the yellow. This is the one I'm gonna build. So yeah, all in all, absolutely and utterly superb kit. Absolutely and utterly superb injected plastic. There's no words. I hope to make justice to this model. I hope I can achieve a great quality. We'll see how it goes. And again, just a reminder, this is a build along. If you guys want, join in. It doesn't have to be this kit. It can be any kit you want, as long as it is P-51 and a 1/48 scale. Feel free to join in. So I hope you guys have liked my review. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to get notifications when I go live again. And see you soon. Thank you all for watching, and ta-da!